Today I'm going to be showing you the two different types of smoky eyes, and it starts right now. Hey guys, I'm Heaven and welcome to another video. If you're new here and would like to learn my personal application techniques, a couple of tips and tricks, as well as some reviews of new products, you can start by subscribing to my channel and turning notifications on. I upload up to 7 videos per week, so you don't want to miss it. Well, let's jump right into this video. To start off this tutorial, I'm going to be doing a half face and one smoky eye on this side and the other type of smoky eye on this side. So first things first, you guys know I always like to prime my eyes using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Fair. And then I'm going to take a little dab on my finger and blend it in the rest of the way.
Secrets and forbidden bliss can't stay still, don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin, temptation within, mistakes ignite the silence.
Now that is all completed, we can jump into the fun stuff. So I'm going to be dipping into my 35O palette by Morphe, and I'm going to grab this tan color. I will leave a picture right there. And I'm also going to be using my M441 brush.
Set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
Alright, so with my first transition shade, I did pick up this lovely tan color from my Morphe 35O palette with my M441 brush. The next shade that I did pick up is the very center shade of the 35O palette, and this is a brush from my 702 Morphe brush set. Once that color has been laid down in the place where I want it to be, I'm going to switch back to the previous brush and just with no product really blend those two colors together.
Set my heart afire.
Now that my base and my transition shades have been laid down, I did dive into this taupey shade from the Morphe 35O palette, and again I'm just going to find my crease and build into it. And now with a small precision bullet, I'm going to lightly dive into this BH Cosmetics into the black ever so lightly.
Hesitating, kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
And now with that same precision bullet, I'm going to spray an already loaded brush, and I'm going to smoke out some eyeliner with this. now for the lid, I'm going to be diving into this lovely white shade from the 35O palette. This one has a little bit of shimmer to it, and I'm going to focus this more on the lid.
Can't stay still, don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin, temptation within, mistakes ignite the silence.
Alright guys, same basic steps. We're going to build into the crease with those 3 transition shades first before building onto the lid with the darker color. Let's get to work.
Waiting and always hesitating, kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire, set my heart afire. Yeah.
Same brush with the middle shade from the 35O palette. We're just going to do exactly what we did in the previous step and just darken this up. Alright, now we can switch brushes. I call this my crease brush. It is pointed on the ends and allows me to really find my crease. So I did dip into that taupe shade, and I'm just going to do this all in my crease.
Connect the dots straight to the start of intoxicating warmth. Lingering touch,
Alright guys, I have loaded my brush and I'm just going to start at the lash line and work my way towards the crease. Alright guys, now that that product has been placed exactly where I want it, I'm going to use a brush that I did with my crease, no extra product on it, and I'm just going to meld these 2 colors together.
heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire, set my heart afire.
Alright, now that the top portions of both of these looks are completed, I am going to quickly do my everyday foundation routine as well as brows. Now if you're curious to know how I personally do both of those things, those videos will be linked in the description box, so make sure you guys check those out. Alright, 1, 2, 3, and your girl is lovely. Alright, so now that I have both of these eye looks completed, we can take a moment and talk about it. So the first eye that I'm going to be talking about, of course, is a gradient smoky eye, where in the inner corner it goes from a lighter shade, gradually darkening until you hit the darkest shade, which is more concentrated on the outer corners, as opposed to the traditional smoky eye, which is all over the lid, a darker shade, and then gradually gets lighter as you hit the brow bone. So gradient means this way, traditional means this way. Hope that you guys have enjoyed our time together. You've officially been touched by heaven.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.